Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well these days. My name is Abbas Dorri, and just like many of you watching this video, I am a non-native English speaker. I have a strong background and a lot of experiences in learning English because when I was about 12 years old, I started learning English. I used to study English alongside my education in middle school, in high school, and later at university. I continued studying English until the last level and I got my English diploma from a well-known English institute in Isfahan, Iran. I should tell you that in all of those English classes, I had so much fun with my great teachers and classmates. I learned a lot of English materials and I practiced English a lot. It was really great. In my university years, I made an important decision. I decided to study my subjects using authentic English materials and textbooks. It really helped me to improve my level of English, especially my reading skill. I should mention that reading those English textbooks expanded my perspective on my professional and technical fields. After my graduation from university, I didn't put English language away, because I found it an essential tool for doing my research. I've tried to find and create opportunities to practice English and communicate and speak in English whenever I can, even with AI. For example, when I want to ask ChatGPT my personal and technical questions, I write them in English, and it really worked because I've observed a lot of improvements in my level of English, especially my writing and grammar skills. Totally speaking, during my lifetime, I've been practicing English language through different manners, such as attending at English classes, reading English textbooks and scientific papers, watching English videos, doing research, and so on. Dear audience, as you know, many non-native English speakers are trying to find the best and the most comprehensive method to improve their level of English. They follow the rules of trainers and English teachers promote online. These English learners practice a lot and they examine a variety of methods and procedures. But after some time, they give up, they fail. Why? Because they are fed up with learning English. They are exhausted and disappointed. Unfortunately, they leave learning English aside. If you ask me, in this condition, I should tell you that they should question the methods and the procedures they are following instead of questioning themselves. This is not their fault. This is the fault of their methods and procedures. Until now, I've experienced a lot of methods and procedures to improve my level of English. Some of my experiences were really great and fruitful. They were really effective to improve my English. But some of them were really bad and they were just wasting my time. They were really useless. Because of this, I believe that I can help you, and I am full of experiences in learning English that are worth sharing with you. My methods and procedures and totally my experiences in learning English are really important. And they are based on science and knowledge. They are not just commercial. They are based on a promising approach, in other words. So you don't have to underestimate them. And you can trust me as a good mentor. In English language, there's a proverb that says, practice makes perfect. And I bet you've heard of it. The meaning of this proverb is very, very important because it is very comprehensive and true in all facets of life. Totally speaking, if you want to be successful in a career, profession, or a skill, you need to practice a lot, such as motor skills, like playing piano, okay? So for learning English, there is no exception, okay? When you want to be successful and strong enough in learning mathematics, you should practice mathematics. You should solve a lot of mathematical problems. Okay? So in learning English, practicing is the fundamental factor for your improving. Okay? In my video series, I'm going to share with you my experiences and fundamental procedures and methods for learning and improving English. They are very comprehensive and based on my real experiences. I should be here to share my experiences, methods, and procedures with you to make you learn and improve your level of English systematically, structurally, and automatically. And my methods and procedures are really promising. If you want to be more familiar with my educational and professional background, you can check out my CV on social media such as LinkedIn or visit my personal website abbasdorri.com. My English videos are available in Apparat, in YouTube, in my personal website and my Instagram, okay? You can visit them and follow my rules. In the end, I want to emphasize that when you are watching my English videos, decide to watch them again and again. As I mentioned before, practice makes perfect, okay? I've provided subtitles in English for you. And when you are watching the English videos, pay attention to the subtitles and never translate them into your native language. Never do that, okay? If you don't know a word or an expression in the subtitles, just look it up in an English to English dictionary. I promise it's worth it. I'm really happy and excited to share my experiences, methods, and rules for learning and improving your level of English. I step by step share my videos with you and just follow me. Thank you so much, have a nice time, and goodbye.